In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Bluebeam. If you spend time reviewing drawings, markups, or detailed PDFs, being able to zoom in quickly and precisely is essential. We'll keep this straightforward and focused so you can get right back to your project with better control over your view. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once your file is open, make sure the document area is active so the commands affect the page you're looking at. You'll usually see a zoom percentage somewhere in the interface, which gives you a quick read on how close you are. With the document ready, let's look at two fast ways to zoom in. First, the keyboard method. Press Ctrl and the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. You can tap it repeatedly to step in closer in small increments, which is great when you want consistent, predictable changes without overshooting your target. If your keyboard has a separate number pad, that plus key works too. If you don't see the view changing, click once inside the page to make sure Bluebeam is focused on the document, then try again. This method is simple, reliable, and easy to use with one hand, which makes it ideal during live reviews or when you're on a call and need to adjust your view cleanly. Next, the mouse method for quick zooming. Hold Ctrl and scroll up with your mouse wheel to zoom in. This gives you a smooth, accelerated zoom that responds to how quickly you scroll. A helpful tip here is to move your cursor directly over the area you want to inspect before you scroll. Bluebeam treats the position under your cursor as the focal point, so placing it over a detail or note ensures you land exactly where you intend. If the zoom feels too fast, slow down your scroll for finer control. This approach is excellent for navigating large sheets like floor plans or site maps where you want to sweep in toward a detail without taking your eyes off the page. Use whichever method suits your workflow best. The keyboard shortcut is great for measured steps. The Ctrl plus mouse wheel is perfect for speed and fluid navigation. With a few minutes of practice, you'll find your rhythm, and moving through dense PDFs will feel much more efficient. That's all you need to zoom in confidently in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing.